something.
I have to show you something. What's that? That rock?
It was so cool. You know how the dirt compresses out of the two sides when it's a real big scoop and it jets out?
Yeah.
It just did that.
Ooh.
I'll show you later. I was videoing. Alright, I'm about to get the other excavator out.
You know, I was having just too many problems.
I want to be able to track around. It's doing fine. We just don't have the stationary digging right now. It goes fine that way. That way there's a problem. Ooh, did you see that? Oh god.
I'm back dragging fucking boulders over here. Power back drag. Nice. That looked good.
The little motors that hoods up.
Dude, did you see that TikTok I sent you yesterday? Where?
Yeah.
The one of the rock truck?
Yes.
He hits that bump in the rock truck. Did you see the guy in the video? Dude, he got rocked so hard.